C4, Fuse, Branded, Alive. Man, these are all names that we've had here at the Father's House Youth Group over the past 10 years. And I'm here to celebrate with you guys that over the past 10 years, God has taken what we thought was a good youth group and turned it into a movement that is changing lives forever. So we want to celebrate this year that instead of taking you to summer camp, we're going to bring summer camp here. Now, part of the reason for that was because we believe that God is calling us to this city. And I don't know if you saw that report, but Rochester, New York is the third poorest city in the nation. And I don't believe it's by choice. I don't believe it's by chance. But I believe that God has called this generation to not sit back and get upset about that, but to lean forward and become the answer that this city is looking for. I don't know about you, but there is a generation that is facing death every day. And what if you were the people who were supposed to bring life into their situation? And so what we're going to do this summer is we're going to have what we call Camp Nights. Now, it sounds just like it is. Everything that we loved about summer camp, we're going to bring right here at Alive Youth. And our first expression of Camp Nights is going to be July 30th at 7 p.m. We're going to have special guest Jabin Chavez, who is a part of the Hillsong Network. He is an incredible, one of the most predominant worship leaders of this nation. And he's going to be joining us with middle school, high school, and young adult students gathering under one name, under one cause. And it's going to kick off our camp nights this summer. So we look forward to seeing you guys July 30th as we see what it means when students leave their old life and find new life in Jesus and become fully alive to Him. We'll see you there.